Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making avocado salad. Some benefits of avocado: good for heart, great for vision, helps prevent cancer, support for fetal health, reduce depression risk, improve digestion, natural detoxification. Chopped avocado 1 cup, chopped onion half cup, chopped tomatoes 1/4 cup, salt as per taste, olive oil 1 tablespoon, pepper powder half tablespoon. Mix everything. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.